Hey Aphrodisiacs, it's me Khadijah. So in today's video, we're taking it back to the basics with this one by doing a simple protein treatment on high porosity natural hair. Now, I did show you guys back in 2022 my protein treatment routine featuring the ApHG two-step protein treatment, but I have since discontinued using that protein treatment because I realized it was just too heavy for my hair. There are different strengths of protein treatments ranging from light, medium to heavy. And the one that I'm going to show you in this video is actually medium, which is more suitable for my hair. So just keep that in mind. But what you can do before you do a protein treatment is Prepoo, which I do this regardless of whether I'm doing one or not. So I like to use coconut oil on the length of my hair, and for my scalp I use extra virgin olive oil. The next step that you want to do is clarify, making sure that you have removed all of that dirt and oil and buildup is very important to get the most out of your protein treatment. And then step 3 is to do the actual protein treatment, and I'm using the ORS Hair Mayonnaise. Now, I've been using the ORS Hair Mayonnaise for years, probably about 10 or more years, and it has not failed me. So this is definitely my go-to product, but this is the consistency. It has like these little specks of herbs in it. It has nettle leaf and horsetail extract. There's also olive oil, egg protein, wheat germ oil, and hydrolyzed collagen. Something important that I want for you guys to know is that an effective protein treatment will have hydrolyzed protein. Hydrolyzed proteins are broken down into smaller molecules that are small enough to penetrate the hair shaft, so they don't sit on top of your hair. They're actually working from inside out to do some repairing. And if you have high porosity hair, 9 times out of 10 your cuticle layer is raised, meaning that it does need some sort of repairing. Now remember that high porosity hair is a spectrum, and there's varying levels of damage going from mild to more severe. I would say I have mild to moderately damaged high porosity hair. I know my cuticles are raised, I get frizz easily, but I am also washing my hair once a week. I'm manipulating it by styling and refreshing it throughout the week. So doing a protein treatment once a month works best for me, and I find that the medium strength is also most suitable. But if you are doing things like using keto on your hair or chemical service, then you may have to use a more strengthening protein treatment and maybe more often. So you really just have to find what works best for you. As you can see, I'm twisting my hair with the product in sections as part of curl training. This really helps to encourage my curls to clump together. You will see me come back and apply my deep conditioner with my hair outside of the twist. When I filmed this, I had just cut my hair maybe a week or 2 ago, so I was still learning like these curl training techniques. But when I apply my products now, I typically always twist my hair, and I also rinse everything out while my hair is still in twist. So I'm just applying some extra product to my edges, and I'm going to use my hot head to deep condition for 30 minutes with the protein treatment, and I'll come back once that has been rinsed out. Now we're going to move on to step 4, which is to use a moisturizing deep conditioner, and the one that I'm using is the Curl Origin Honey and Hibiscus More Moisture Please Deep Conditioner. Now you can use any moisturizing deep conditioner that you like, one that you already have. You don't have to go out and purchase one if you already have something similar, but please, you guys, make sure that your deep conditioner does not have any protein, because you just use a protein treatment. So you really have to infuse your hair with moisture to carry out that moisture protein balance. The one that I'm using does have hibiscus, which is a little bit strengthening, but it's not a hydrolyzed protein, so I wouldn't really stress it too much. Just make sure that your moisturizing deep conditioner is emollient, that it has oils, that it has butters, it's moisturizing, and you will be good to go. So I'm just going to apply this the same way that I applied my protein treatment, and also deep condition for 30 minutes. So after rinsing out the protein treatment, you would move on to step 5, which is to style. And typically what I like to do is keep a microfiber towel on my head for about 30 minutes to absorb the excess water from my hair, so that when I move on to styling, my hair is more so damp than soaking wet. This works a lot better for high porosity hair in my opinion. But I have really been enjoying braid outs for these past couple of years, and since I have been curl training, it does encourage you to do a hairstyle that clumps your curls together. So that's what you're seeing right now in this photo. My hair is looking very nice, healthy, it's soft, moisturized, defined. So I highly recommend finding a protein treatment that is the most suitable for your hair and its needs. Just try different things out and see what gives you the best results. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.